I, early on, was a member of our volunteer ambulance corps. And being a volunteer, you jump in an ambulance and you don't know what you're going to see when you get to where you go. So I've had experiences from beautiful births to some tragedy, family tragedies. You learn early on that, you have to cherish every moment in life.
My daughter, when she was 12, got very sick. And during that time, it makes your family, you kind of come together, like, okay, we've got to figure this out, we need to get through this. Then when all is said and done and everything turned out fine, and you step back and go, wait a minute, what's the important thing here? And I think, you just find out that your kids need to know that no matter what, you love them.
That gave me the inspiration to make sure that my children and my family enjoyed their lives, because you never know what's going to happen, and you have to enjoy the moment. And that's what building log cabins all about.
It makes our hearts happy that people come in our home and right away they feel warm and cozy.
It's a great family place to be. When a family comes up, our kids come up, everybody's just happy and relaxed up here.
And since our kids are scattered all across the country, this is kind of the one central place that they can kind of call home. They know they can come anytime, spur of the moment, they can make plans, they can bring their friends, they can bring anybody they want. We have plenty of room. Our policy is kind of the door's always open. You don't have to ask, just you can show up.
Because this is what this home is. It's where we come together, become family, and talk, and cook meals together.
Make memories.
Make memories. So, I mean, it's a wonderful place for that.
If you're thinking about going into living in a log cabin, what are you waiting for? I mean, you have the dream, and the dream is easily accessible with the eLog team. They can put it together faster than you can dream.